Hi, thanks for tuning in. This is Lynn with Queen Bee Organic Skincare in Pagosa Springs. I wanted to tell you a little bit about my new cleansing oil product. I don't know if you've tried it or have tried other kinds of cleansing oils. I know coconut oil is a very popular skincare trend, but I find when living in the mountains at altitude, being red prone and having sensitive skin, it's just not quite enough moisture content in coconut. It has great antibacterial properties, but it doesn't have enough lingering fats to really help. So this current product is scented with rose geranium, which is a really great tool for people with red tendencies anyway. And it's just a beautiful floral scent that helps make your day go nicely. So the way to use it would be to just dribble a little bit in your hands, rub them together, and apply with a little bit of water in the same way you would any kind of gel cleanser. The ingredient set is Chardonnay grapeseed oil, polysorbate 20, which is a very earth-friendly emulsifying agent that helps the water bind to the oil. So this is a really quick way to get rid of mineral makeup, and it leaves your skin very soft and dewy. And if you want a little extra oomph, all you have to do is add a Clarisonic facial brush like we normally recommend with our cleansing products, or you can use a little buff puff or microfiber towel. All of those things will kind of get in under the layers of the dead cells and help exfoliate at the same time you're moisturizing your skin. So you just follow with a rinse of warm water, and you're left with glowy, hydrated skin before you even begin your moisturizing regime. So I hope you enjoy it. We do have little sample sizes of it that we're including with orders right now. And again, it's just called cleansing oil. And we hope you'll give it a try. Thank you.